Hello everyone. My name is Harsh Matankar and I welcome you all on UEC News. Today we have Prayukti Jain ma'am with us. Before telling about her, I would like to say something. That there is a myth among students that if you are not from Tier 1 or Tier 2 college, it is impossible to get placed in a good company. But students like Prayukti ma'am proves that it is just a myth. Yes, Prayukti ma'am is placed in Walmart. For those who don't know, Walmart is world's largest company in terms of revenue. It is an American multinational company. So first of all, congratulations, ma'am.
Hi, thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Yeah. कोई भी लड़का या लड़की या स्टूडेंट इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट यही चाहता है कि उसके इंजीनियरिंग एंड होते होते एक अच्छा प्लेसमेंट हो जाए, एक अच्छी जॉब मिल जाए. मैम, आज ये आपके साथ हो रहा है, तो हम आज आपकी इसी जर्नी के बारे में बात करेंगे कि कैसे आप यहाँ तक पहुंच पाई. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैम, अ क्विक इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर आवर ऑडियंस.
Okay, sure. So, hello everyone. My name is Prayukti Jain and I'm born and brought up in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. So, my schooling was done from here and from Indore as well. And for my graduation, I selected Ujjain Engineering College. And yeah, I had a great experience overall. I didn't expect it would end this well, but yeah, it ended pretty well. And yeah, that's it.
So, ma'am, we will talk about your journey, like from 10th. So, I want to know that what type of student were you in class 10? Were you the topper one in the class?
Okay, so no, I was an average student. Like I was not among the famous ones or those who know those who were good in academics, those who were good in cultural. I was not among them. I was just a normal average student, and I took PCM because my parents told me to do so, and that's the only reason I took PCM. And then I came into engineering because my parents told me to do that again.
Oh.
But yeah, that turned out to be a good decision, and I'm happy with that decision.
So you prepared for JEE in class 11, 12?
Yeah, of course. I went to the big coachings for that as well. So I did my 11th, 12th from Indore, and for the same, I went to the coachings and I struggled. But after some time, I got to know कि नहीं हो पाएगा. So I was like preparing for my 12th, and I tried to do well in my 12th. And then afterwards when the 12th ends, you have to struggle for the college कि कौन सा college में जाना है. It should be a private college or a government college. Which college is good, which college will give you best placements and all. So there was a lot of struggle, like बहुत ज्यादा hustle करना पड़ा था उस टाइम पे. बहुत ज्यादा confusion भी था, बहुत ज्यादा पेरेंट्स से डांट भी सुनने को मिली कि क्या है, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, कॉलेज ढूंढो अच्छा, what is this. But yeah, eventually it went good. I selected this college. I wanted to stay with my parents for 4 more years, basically. So and I got a government college, so that was a plus point for me. So that's why I chose this college, and yeah, it turned out to be a pretty well decision.
Okay, so that's how you chose UEC. And why did you choose computer science?
Computer science, actually, I didn't know anything about any other branches. So basically, computer science was my safe preference. And yeah, like I was not sure about anything. Like I was not good at math, I was not good at physics, not at chemistry. So I chose this, and yeah, it turned out to be a good decision again.
Ma'am, I want to know about the first year of college, क्योंकि हमारा जो पहला साल है वो असाइनमेंट्स और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में ही निकल गया है. तो आपका पहला साल कैसा था कॉलेज में?
Okay, so like talking about the first year में जब आप आते हो, like I'm talking about my experience. So I was like बहुत ही ज़्यादा सहमी type की, and I didn't know anybody over there. There was all new faces, all new teachers, all new environment. आपको पता नहीं होता है कहाँ जाना है, आपको पता नहीं कौन आपके friends बनेंगे, what will be your life for next 4 years. So it was pretty like exciting and nervous at the same time. But yeah, like I got a whole new batch of students, and they were all very good. Like I'm talking about my branch. I don't know about any other branch, but as many people I have met in the college, they are all very good. Like they are all helping, they are all like down to earth, and they are good in nature overall. Like those who I met. I don't know about everybody,
Yeah.
but yeah. And I'm
Good to
talking
hear
about
about.
like, yeah.
Good to hear about that, ma'am. But we still don't know how are the people in college. We haven't experienced that.
You haven't gone like once of the college, like you
No,
are
once for admission, then nothing.
okay.
Just for admission. Yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay. So you have been doing online classes from last year.
yeah.
That's it.
We are doing online class. Yes, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah,
So,
that might not be a good experience, but yeah, you have to deal with it for now.
yes, yes. So then, from which year you started programming, learning programming?
I started doing it from first year. Like I was a 2017 admit, and I started doing it from October or November, I remember. And from that, I started doing a little bit, and then I consistently did it for like 4 years. And in my past, like in 2020, after lockdown, I started searching for internships and I started searching for jobs as well. And that's where when I got my first internship as well. Like I got my first
So,
internship in September 2020.
September 2020 means you got your internship in third year.
In fourth
When
year.
you, oh, fourth year. Okay. We will talk about internship later. Uh, Tell about your placement, ma'am. What was the package offered to you?
Okay, so initially, in October or November, I was giving the hiring drive for Acolyte Digital, and in December, I got selected for it, and they offered me 5+3, like 8 LPA of a total package. And I was about to join it. My joining was on 8th July, but it was the same day I got the offer letter from Walmart. So I had accepted that offer, and the package in that is 13 is basic, and there's all incentive, bonus, and etc. So the overall package is adds up to 20 LP.
Oh, ma'am, that's very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am, tell us about that. In college, were you involved in the other activities other than academics?
I would say not pretty much. I just remember the celebrations of Ganesh Chaturthi itself and other fests like MTM and Exception. So I was not pretty much involved in all of these. I was the one who I'm not involved. I'm not good at anything. But yeah, I just chill out with friends and hang out with them and do whatever they do. So like there's a
Ma'am,
group of people from CS1. There are 10 to 12 people. If they are going at some, if you find one people at the same place, all the rest of them would be at the same place. So yeah, I would like to mention that I have got a great bunch of friends as well. So they have all motivated me throughout the journey, throughout 4 years, like from the first year as well. And they are really, all are really good. Like you can ask them help from like 12 in the night or 3 in the morning. You can ask them anything. They are always ready to help. They are very good. Like I got a great bunch of friends over here.
okay, so knowledge is not the only thing you earn from this college. Friendship is.
Yeah, I would just say that even my friends, my parents are proud of my friends. Like they're very good, they're very helping, they're very down to earth people. They are not like pretty much hi-fi people. They are everybody down to earth, ready to help everybody. So yeah,
Ma'am,
that's I'm
you
proud
can't
of.
say you said one sentence that you are not good at anything, something that. But I don't. I will say that this is very. I mean, this is a wrong statement because I can see that you are very good at communicating, ma'am. Tell us about how you develop these communication skills. I think that is a
Okay,
very
so
important thing when you talk about the interviews and getting job.
okay, yeah. So good to mention that. I was not good at communicating when I came to the college. Like till third year, even I was not good at communicating. But then when I started searching for internships, so there were many follow-ups. Like if I apply on an internship, I applied to several, like hell lot of number of internships. So when there were follow-ups on that, I need to talk about that. I need to talk about my skills. I need to talk about what I can do. So throughout that whole process, I got to know how to communicate. I got to know that what should I say, what should I not mention, and how should I mention anything if I know that, if I don't know that. So all of these things got me through it. And apart from that, like I said, I have friends, so we decided to talk in English for some times. We decided to communicate better. If we talk in English or if we talk in Hindi, whatever, but we tried to communicate better. So that whole thing throughout helped me, like talking with the friends, talking with anybody else, communicating properly, talking on a phone with the interviewer or with the HR. All of these things combinedly helped me. And yeah, I would like to mention that communication is a very good skill that you need to know if you are going for a job interview. Like now, if you know something, then you need to communicate it properly, no? Otherwise it's of no use.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you need to communicate it well.
Yeah, thank you for giving us this advice, ma'am. Talking about, you said about internships. How did you apply for those internships?
Okay, so I applied it from Internshala, and I applied to a lot of internships, but I got follow-ups from them, and I was finally selected for an internship at Ronin Labs. It is a Pune-based startup, and there I got to work on a live project. It was for the launch of I guess OnePlus 80 phones. So it was the OnePlus World project. If anybody had visited it, so we were in a part of it. I was handling the backend operations over there. So there was a mentor. He used to assign some task, and I need to do that, and it lasted for 3 months. So it was the internship, and in between that only we got hiring drives, we got the placements from the college as well.
Oh, so internship, how internship helps in getting your main job? Helped in getting your main job.
Okay, so like internship also offers you pre-placement. Like I also got my pre-placement offer from internship, but it gives you experience on working on a live project. Like what happens actually, like we are studying it right now. We are studying DSA, we are studying operating systems, but how it is implemented, how it helps in projects, how it helps in production. Like the feeling, like if your product is going in the production, then you need to know that everything needs to be very well set up. It needs to be very good. So you get the knowledge of implementing things through internship. So I would prefer that you should do internship, and yeah, plus it holds a good position on your resume as well.
Okay, so it gives knowledge which we didn't get from the books.
Yeah, like it gives you practical experience. It's like getting a job, but for a short tenure. So yeah, you should definitely do an internship. It's always a plus point. And yeah, you get a lot of exposure over there. You get to learn a lot of things. You get to know the people, how they are working. Like they are very professional people. They are working in the industry for 10 to 12 years, and they know very much more about the industry, about the trends, about everything. So you get to know about their working patterns, you get to know about how they react, how they handle things. So it basically prepares you for entering to the IT industry.
Yeah. Ma'am, you talked about that you started learning programming from first year itself, and you were consistent in that. So how much time you daily spend on that?
Okay, so like it's not daily, but yeah, I would say it was pretty much more like if I am not getting time, then I would spend 1 or 2 hours. But if I'm getting time, I can spend 4 to 5 hours. So it basically depends on how much time you can invest. But yeah, I try to invest times every day. So there was I cannot say there was not even a single day. There were days when I didn't study at all. But yeah, there were most of the days when I studied, when I wanted to study, then when I wanted to do hard work. So yeah, there was not a specific time, but yeah, you can invest anytime you want. It should be consistent. That's what I think it is.
Yeah,
like it's not you study first year for 8 hours, and you skip second and third year, it's not good. You
Okay,
need to be
consistency is something which is important.
Yeah. According to me, yeah, I find it very, very important.
या मैम आई वांट टू से कि हम अभी जो फर्स्ट ईयर है और या सेकंड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर थर्ड ईयर सभी बच्चे जो है अभी ऑनलाइन स्टडीज ही कर रहे हैं, तो कोई मैसेज हमारे लिए और क्या व्यूज है आपके ऑनलाइन स्टडीज पे?
Actually, according to me, I'm not pretty big fan of online studies. Like, I want the physical classes, I want the physical interactions. Like live interaction, face-to-face interaction have their own sense. So I prefer that. But yeah, online we cannot do anything about it. So it's
या
online. So I guess you can. It's pretty much comfortable for you. You can join your classes sitting from your home. But yeah, it does not impact pretty well until you want it to be. So
एंड
you
वन थिंग
need to
दैट
be
इट इज
you
नॉट
need
मच
to be
इंटरेस्टिंग.
present. Yeah, I can understand that, because like everybody has every issue. Like you are in a home, there are it's a n number of other people also at your home. There is network issues, so there are other factors also that are impacting the online studies. But yeah, you can do it irrespective of that. You can do it if you want to do it. So like you need to learn, you cannot skip it. You need to learn
या
you need to learn it anyhow.
एट लास्ट मैम एनी मैसेज फॉर योर जूनियर्स?
Okay, so like I just want to say that it's your college life. You have got a great college, because every faculty is very supporting over here. So you get a lot of opportunities from TPO as well. So it's a great college. You have been a great place. Plus it's a government college. It's already a plus point over here, and there are good people. So make good friends, study hard, and yeah, go stay. All the best.
Ma'am, thank you for all your advices. I'm very glad that I got chance to talk with you, and thank you very much for giving your valuable time.
Thank you. It was nice talking to you as well.
Yeah, let's end this meeting here. Thank you very much.